If you are a YouTube content creator like obviously I am, you can sync your YouTube channel on Rumble, and you can ignore this. This is just Rumble's homepage, and anyways, I'm not going to discuss anything about the content on Rumble. First, you want to sign up for a Rumble account. There are 3 different types of accounts. Quickly, one is a free account. There's a couple of paid accounts. All you need for now is a free Rumble account. So create a free Rumble account, log in, then up in the top right hand corner you'll see your avatar if you already uploaded one, or your username on Rumble. Click on that icon and it'll show you a drop down menu: account, overview, earnings, my content, license video, upload your video, live streaming. What you want to do is, I think, click on possibly my content. Come on, Rumble. Okay, now it takes you to your account. As you can see, my YouTube channel has already been synced. However, I'm going to show you how to sync it. On the right hand side, you're going to see this menu, and you want to scroll down under videos and look for YouTube channel sync, and click on that. Then on the left hand side you're going to see this YouTube channel sync. To add more channels, please connect your YouTube account. And then I need to make sure that when I transition, it will transition properly. What you would do is click on sign in with Google. I'm going to click on that. However, I'm going to transition and you're going to see a blank screen. Okay, I'm going to read to you what you will see. So click on sign in with Google, and it will take you to a login page. Or if you're already signed in to your Google account, it will come up with a message: choose an account to continue to Rumble channel sync. Now, caveat emptor, you want to either already be logged in or log in with your Google account that is associated with the YouTube channel that you want to sync, because Rumble will pull some of those videos and download them and then upload them to your Rumble account, and then individuals on Rumble will be able to view your videos, the same exact videos that are on your YouTube channel. So you just want to make sure that you're either logged in or you log in with the correct account, because it will sync whatever videos are associated with that Google account. Okay, so I'm going to click on now. It gives me the option of a Google account that I'm already signed in for my YouTube channel, and then it also has an option, use another account. If you're not signed into your Google account, it will show you a Google login box where you will, either select your account that's already saved in your web browser, or you'll have to log in with your credentials. So I'm going to click on the account that is associated with my YouTube channel, and it's got a progress indicator. Now it came up with this message: Rumble channel sync wants additional access to your Google account. It tells you the address for your Google account. It actually tells you the username, etc. Rumble channel sync already has some access, so I've already synced my YouTube channel to Rumble. See the one service that Rumble channel sync has some access to. So it warns you what Rumble will gain access to. Make sure you trust Rumble channel sync. You may be sharing sensitive information with this site or application. You can always see or remove access in your Google account. Learn how Google helps you share data safely. I don't know if I agree with that statement, but I'm not going to digress about that right now. See Rumble channel sync's privacy policy and terms of service. You may want to read both the privacy policy and terms of service before you click on continue. There is a continue button, and if you click on one service, I may or may not be able to show you this. Oh, it's not going to let me. Is it going to? Oh, Rumble channel sync has this access. You can always remove any access in your Google account. I think I can safely screen capture this really quickly. Yes, that is when I clicked on the one service. There's a hyperlink that says one service. Rumble channel sync has this access. You can always remove any access in your Google account, view your YouTube account, and then click on done. I always recommend, I don't give out orders, but I recommend that you read whatever you think is important to you. You know what I'm saying? Done. Because a lot of these companies, these billion-dollar, trillion-dollar companies, they are up to no good at times. Remember Facebook and the... Anyways, I digress. I'm not going to go over any of these other links, but they are available. Continue. So I clicked on continue, and then, can I show you this screen? Oh, here, I'll show you this anyways. This is what happens when you have already synced. Duplicate channel. This YouTube channel is already linked to a Rumble channel. Go back. All right. In your case, most likely, you obviously want to sync your YouTube channel to Rumble, and therefore it has not already been synced. You'll just see a login box, and you'll see the one service, and you'll see a warning telling you what data that Rumble will have access to, and then it will probably have a continue button, and it may have a approve button, or you know what I'm saying, or accept button. All right, then it should sync your channel. Now this is what you should see. On the right hand side, you can click on YouTube channel sync again. Okay. And you'll see this screen, and you'll see the sign in, but you don't need to worry about that once your channel is synced. You'll see your channel name and avatar if you're already uploaded it, the channel name down here, the date that it was synced. The last sync also is included. You can also disconnect if you wanted to. Now you can click on manage YouTube videos, and that will then show you, when you click on it, that will show you what videos have already been synced and what videos are pending. I can show you these. Let me show you. Now, caveat emptor, only 13, the number 13 videos have been completed, and then Rumble stopped syncing. And it's been, okay, 8 minutes. All right. Yes. Now, the starting from is, okay, here's another tip. If you want all your YouTube videos synced, you want to go back to the original first YouTube video that you uploaded. Go back to it, search for it in what the studio creator in YouTube. Find the date. Try to find out the exact date. I don't think you need to know the exact time, but the exact calendar date. Then when you sync with Rumble, I remember now, it asks you to enter in a date to go back, so that will tell Rumble to go back to, let's say, March 11th of 2010, and it'll try to sync all the videos from March 11th 2010 to the current date. So there's a tip. So I chose June 27, 2012 because that was the first, believe it or not, that was the first video I ever uploaded on YouTube. Now, as you can see, the last sync was January 11th, and then the time. But all right, so let's go back to manage your YouTube videos, and I'm already done, so you've probably already left. I don't fucking care. The rest of this is just giving you some additional information on the Rumble syncing. But I showed you where to go. Oh, here's another tip. You may have to verify your account. Now, when I created my free Rumble account, I did not have to verify my account. I was given this link. Remember the YouTube channel sync? It showed up. I clicked on it. I logged into my Google account associated with my YouTube channel. I told Rumble what exact calendar date to start syncing from, and I did not have to verify my account. However, I did verify my account before. In the future, you may have to verify your account. I think in the past you had to, but I didn't have to. Maybe they changed their policy. I don't know. Now, you would click on account verification, although the last time I clicked on this, it did not work. I do not know if it is my web browser. I'm using Brave web browser, which is a kind of a non-standard web browser. I've noticed Brave web browser is not the 100% the greatest. Certain websites do not work in Brave. That could be it. Although when I did verify my Rumble account, it worked. Now it doesn't. I don't know if that's because I'm already associated it, or excuse me, verified. I'm not sure. I just do not know. Or maybe there's a problem with Rumble website. What happens is it will ask you to enter in a phone number, and then it will send a SMS. It'll send a text message to that phone number with a code, and you'll have to enter in the code to verify your Rumble account. Alright, anything further? Now, as you can see on screen, the 13 videos have been completed. Another tip is, originally there, well, wait a minute, I think there was 13 and then now there's 14, whatever. This top one, tip Brave Rewards Creators Instructions, that was not part of the original sync. I think there was 12 or 13 videos that were downloaded, synced, and completed. Now, the rest of this is overtime. So this has been overtime since I showed you how to sync. And I'm sure you already left, which I do not care. What I'm telling you is the sync is working, because this top video was synced on January 7th, after I uploaded it. Not too long after I uploaded it to YouTube. So at least one video has synced since I originally synced my YouTube channel to Rumble. So I know it works. However, you notice there's a bunch of pending. These have been pending ever since I first synced my YouTube channel to Rumble, and they've been just sitting there. I'm not sure if there's some kind of quota on Rumble's platform that only a certain amount of videos get synced per day, week, month. I do not know, or if it's stuck. I may have to contact Rumble support. But look at all these videos that are pending. You know what I'm saying? They go all the way back to 2019, but they have not downloaded, they have not completed, and they're not officially synced. Now, what you can do is now you can click on... Now, if you click on view, you can just view them. If you click on a video, you can't really do much from the screen. It says here, you know, on the left hand side there are URLs for each video to your YouTube channel. So those are the URLs to watch the video. If you click on a video, there is, I think, an edit button, and you can edit the video. I think you can change the uniform resource locator, the description, you can delete it, and that's about it. It's kind of limited, but at least your videos are synced on Rumble from YouTube. Another thing I wanted to show you is monetized videos. I do not think I had to perform any additional steps. I was curious about that because I was like, well, how do I monetize my videos? I did not have to perform any additional steps with the YouTube channel sync. Click on monetized videos and it will show you a list of all videos that have been monetized right here. I think there's 12 or 13. They have all been monetized. Okay? And some of them, I'm not going to discuss how Rumble is different. There's views and there's video playbacks. Your video has to become played in order for it's kind of confusing. I'm not going to digress about that. But I just want to show you that they're monetized. I did not have to perform any additional steps. I did not have to turn on monetization. I did not have to agree. Now, there is a difference between uploading videos and syncing with regards to a license. I'm not going to discuss that. I'm just telling you what happened when I synced. These are all monetized. I don't think I've earned any money yet, but it's all good. I just synced this like a week ago. Now let me show you all videos, because there is a difference. When you click on all videos, it will show you any videos that have been synced from YouTube and also pending. Now this one has been stuck, ready to share, monetization pending for 3 days. It's been stuck on monetization pending. Now it says ready to share, but it's not monetized. I did try to view the video and it worked. I'm not sure, just not sure, because the original 12 or 13, I would say within a day, whatever, half a day, whatever it was, they were in this status, ready to share, monetization pending, but then they ended up being monetized. I'm not sure, maybe there is something in the video that Rumble doesn't like, or it also could be a quota. I just do not know. Maybe only a certain amount of videos per week are synced and then monetized, and you know, I do not know. I'm gonna just maybe leave this for a couple of weeks and see what happens, and then I think eventually I will contact Rumble if it's like a month or whatever where no more videos, excuse me, all those videos that were pending, they don't sync, or none of these videos end up being monetized. Because I mean, what's the point? You know what I'm saying? The one reason why I decided to sync my YouTube channel on Rumble is, well, duh, to try to earn additional income, to try to supplement my income that I, you know what I'm saying? And it's not that difficult to perform. So that is how you sync your YouTube channel on Rumble. It's pretty easy. Any other tips before I vamonos? You can go into your stats and analytics. It'll tell you how many video views you've received. It'll tell you if you've received any compensation. The account verification, you may or may not have to verify your account in order to sync your YouTube channel. Anything, oh, I showed you the monetized videos. There's a difference, and I showed you the all videos, and then I showed you the YouTube channel sync. Adios!